हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज हमारे साथ पिस्कोव स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी के 3 स्टूडेंट हैं जो कि प्रियांश फ्रॉम सेकेंड ईयर, गौरव फ्रॉम सेकेंड ईयर एंड इश्तियाक फ्रॉम थर्ड ईयर। तो आज हम इनके साथ करने वाले हैं एक रैपिड फायर जहाँ पे वो हमें 1 वर्ड में क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स देंगे। तो लेट्स मीट देम। My first question to you is your favorite professor in Pskov?
Arnab sir.
Arnab sir.
Sluchankov Granny.
Any Russian dish which you like the most?
Kiev cutlet and blini.
इंडिया में कुछ ऐसा डिश होता है?
Blini is like dosa and Kiev cutlet is like chicken ka pakoda.
Nothing.
Kuritsa salad.
The most exciting part of hostel life?
Playing games outside.
Weekend study or chill?
Chill.
Chill.
The most exciting part of student life, hostel life?
Hostel life, changing bed sheet.
Changing bed sheet.
Yeah.
You love this?
No,
Then?
it's like a big work.
This is the study of structure of human body.
Anatomy.
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 The medical term of high blood pressure.
Hypertension.
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 Inflammation of the liver is called?
Inflammation of the liver is called
Lack of oxygen in the body tissue. Low hemoglobin in blood.
no idea.
The terms mean low hemoglobin in the body. The word refer to the condition where blood sugar level is too high.
Hypoglycemia.
The process of listening to the internal sound of the body using stethoscope.
Auscultation.
The tube that connects the mouth to the stomach.
Esophagus.
Inflammation of the liver.
Hepatitis.
So now you have to give the expression in emoji and I will ask you one question. Pskov.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
FMG. Russian winters. Russian festivals.
Amazing.
Russian food.
Tasty.
Thank you everyone. I think you have watched this rapid fire. I think you will love this rapid fire. So thank you all 3 of you for coming here.
Thank you, ma'am. It was also a pleasure for us to come and greet and have our rapid fire session with you. We are very grateful to be greeted by you. Thank you.
Thank you.